You like the smell of Titus fish or crayfish inside your moi moi, and you still want to enjoy a yummy and fluffy moi moi, or even if you are on a budget and you still want to enjoy your moi moi, this video is for you. Please make sure you watch to the end. Hi kitchen besties, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be taking you through the process of making a yummy and fluffy moi moi. Even if you're on a budget, seriously, if you can follow this process one by one, if you can follow it, you're going to enjoy it. You're going to get a lovely and a yummy result. So first thing first, you want to wash your pepper and your onions. Make sure you use a lot of onions. This is the first trick of getting a yummy result when you are making moi moi. Make sure you use a lot of onions. So let's wash the pepper. I wash my pepper and my onions. I've already washed my beans and I soak it for like 30 to 40 minutes thereabouts. Then we want to add everything together so that we'll be able to blend it. Seriously, if you can follow this process, if you can make your moi moi this way, you will enjoy it. You won't even like adding crayfish or Titus fish into your moi moi. You don't even have to think too much before you make a healthy and yummy one or yummy moi moi. So let's proceed. So after mixing everything together, you want to blend your moi moi. So after blending your beans, this is where the trick comes. Make sure you mix very well. You can use an egg whisker, or you can use a turning stick, just the way I'm using it in this video. So make sure you turn it very well, mix it very well. And another trick is you want to add your egg. And for this one, I'm using 2 medium size. Yes, so you mix everything together. Make sure you mix them so well. And then you want to add your salt, your Maggi, and your oil. Make sure you mix everything, so mix them together very well. Mix so well, mix it very well, like you're mixing butter when you're baking cake. The way you mix your butter, that's how you mix your beans, so that you can get a fluffy and yummy moi moi. Mix very well. And then you want to wrap your moi moi. If you want to use leaf, you can use nylon. So for this one, I'm using nylon to wrap my moi moi. Seriously, if you taste it, you want to see the result. You want to see how yummy it is. So I wrap my moi moi. After wrapping it, you know what? Another thing is, make sure you cook your moi moi on a low heat. It's on a very low heat. When you cook your moi moi on a very low heat, it gets done easily and it will not get burnt. Yes, your moi moi will be ready within 20 minutes. When you are cooking it on a low heat, within 20 minutes it is ready, and you are ready to enjoy your yummy moi moi. To fold your nylon, and then I don't want it to be pouring up and down, so I put my nylon inside the cup, and then I'm scooping my beans inside the nylon. done wrapping my moi moi. This is the last one. Then off to the fire. And here comes the result. See my moi moi now. See how fluffy it is. If you taste this moi moi, seriously, you'll be asking for more. You're going to ask for more. So yummy and so soft.